This is my workspace. This is where I work as a virtual assistant. This is also my YouTube studio, and I also use this space as my vanity to get ready. Before, I had a small industrial desk, and it was located in my dining room where everyone in my house had access to me and could easily interrupt me while I was working, mom this, mom that. It was really frustrating to get any work done. In my bedroom is where I had my vanity that I used not only just to do my makeup, but I also filmed my YouTube videos here. But my YouTube videos, the background just seemed pretty bland and lacked interest. My solution was to create an all-in-one space, a place where I can work in peace, film my YouTube videos, and be able to still get ready and do my hair and makeup. A large desk space was important so that way I'm able to multitask and not feel cramped. I found an L-shaped glass desk on Amazon that fits the space perfectly and also fits my needs. I can multitask. It's visually easy on the eye, and also since it is glass, I can write notes with dry erase marker. For a more visually appealing background in my videos, and also for more storage so I can keep things off of my desk, I went with this pegboard that's completely customizable. So I have a place for my pens, my SD cards, some of my cords, my content planner, headphones, and scissors that I can finally find. I also added these strip lights behind the pegboard so that way I can switch up the background for each video. The only two things that I keep on my desk besides my laptop are my snowball mic and this lamp. Now, this lamp, it also charges my phone, it charges my camera. The ports on this are actually really good. And I also keep my pens and my sticky notes in here. And when I'm not using my chargers, I keep it in the little cubby. Behind my desk, I'm fortunate enough to have this 12-inch shelf that's kind of like a windowsill. So I keep my 2020 vision board, a plant to add some greenery so it's not so bland, add some color. I keep my Echo Dot because that's actually what turns on my bedroom light.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Then I have like extra accessories like my other camera, and I have two tripods. I have one for my phone so that way I can do my Zoom meetings hands-free. I can also use it for Instagram stories if I want to, and if I want to use my phone as my camera, I can flip this and this acts as a camera tripod as well. Then I have an actual tripod. This is like my very first tripod that I ever had when it came to YouTube, but I added this here so that way I can have another angle to my videos. Next to my tripods, I have my external hard drive so that way I can quickly transfer really large files. To organize any important paperwork, I have this acrylic organizer. I also use it to organize, to hold my binder. So I have a business binder, my family binder that has all of our birth certificates, passports, car titles. Like if there's a fire, like this is what I'm grabbing. And also it holds Bernard's laptop and any important paperwork. To the left of my desk, I have all of my makeup. I condensed everything that was in my vanity and fit it into my IKEA Alex drawers and these acrylic drawers. Both of these I already had. Next to that, I have an oil diffuser to make the room smell really good. Also, this little area, there's not much to it. This is just where I store my tripod, my ring light, and books. A new chair was really important because I do have a lot of neck and shoulder pain from sitting at the computer for so long, so I got this beautiful white and gray chair that is so much better than sitting on a metal chair. Under my desk, I have this rolling cart. This is from the Container Store, and this is to organize all of my files, my printer paper, my envelopes, any other accessories. Like I have another tripod, all of my cords, external hard drives, like anything that I need, it is in this container. If I'm sitting at my desk, more than likely you'll also find Pancho sitting underneath my desk. This is like his favorite spot in the whole house. And this is my workspace. This workspace has allowed me to feel relaxed. I don't feel anxious. I feel focused and productive while I'm working. It's multifunctional, and this is truly my dream workspace come true. If you're interested in anything you see in this video, I will leave links below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.